Welcome back to my channel. Let's transform these into some 3-in-1 earrings. First, we're going to start with backing and edging our projects. So I'm just taking my glitter leatherette. I like to use Gorilla Glue when I'm working with cabs because it sticks quickly and it's not going to seep through because you have the cab in the way. So you just want to put on a few drops, that's all you need, and then squish it down. Make sure to hold it for around 30 seconds to make sure that the glue fully sticks. Then trim off the excess. Then for my fingernail posts, I like to use E6000 and to let it cure for a few hours or overnight. I find the Gorilla Glue that doesn't really bond it and they pop off really easily, so the E6000 is much better. To add backing to our fingernail posts, I like to cut out a rectangle that is a little bit bigger than my earring, so there's some allowance, then fold it in half and mark exactly where that lever is on the earrings, like so with my pencil. And then I take some scissors and just trim a little slit that's going to be big enough for us to fit that lever through. Make sure your glue is fully cured and then open the lever, pop it through like so. You might have to shimmy a little bit or maybe trim it a little bit longer so it fits through like so. And then I like to pop a little bit of glue in there. For this, I'm going to use the E6000 again. I'm just going to squirt a little bit onto that fingernail post, right onto the metal there. And then we are just going to push the post, the piercing part, just through. Be really careful with your fingers. I have stabbed myself with these and it hurts like crazy. You can also just take a pin and poke a little hole if you want, like that. And then I'm going to take a little bit of Gorilla Glue and just secure the edges a little bit. Don't go too close to the edge, otherwise you won't be able to do our stitching. And again, press it for about 30 seconds and then we can trim off our excess like so. Edge the bottom piece like normal, and when you get to the top, we're going to add a large loop of approximately 18 beads. This loop has to be big enough to go around the lever of the fingernail post so that these earrings can be combined and worn together at once. I like to tack the loop down to the felt several times, going back and forth across the loop. So you can see I go through the base bead, I go through the felt and the backing, and then up through all of the beads again several times. You want to make sure this is nice and strong so that the earring doesn't fall apart when you're trying to take it on and off of the fingernail post. Once I've done that until I feel secure in it, then we can just knot off like so. And then you'll edge your studs just like normal, and now you can see here are two pieces and they pop together like that. So you can see the beads just create a little loop so it hangs below. And then I like to include a pair of kidney hooks. These are the easiest for a customer to put on themselves. It wouldn't require them to use any pliers or something like that. So they can just pop them on whenever they want to wear the long pair on their own. And of course, these studs have their own fingernail post to wear them. And then you just pop them together. And there you go, 3-in-1 earrings, all done and ready to go. Hey, and here's what they look like on me as a stud, as just the long bottom piece, and then as the combo. I love them so much. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you love this video. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and please give it a thumbs up. And have a beautiful day.